Hello Jarvis,
Hello, sir. How can I assist you today?
open YouTube website.
Just a second opening YouTube.
I am asking about website buddy. Open YouTube website.
Operation successful, sir. Your successful results are available.
Jarvis, tell me about yourself little bit more.
Certainly, sir. I'm here to assist you with a wide range of tasks and inquiries.
Check battery
Whether you
percentage.
need help with coding, project management, or just want to chat about technology and beyond, I'm at your service. The device is running on 26% battery power. Think of me as your digital assistant, always ready to lend a hand or engage in a friendly conversation. How can I assist you further today?
Search Anubhav Chaturvedi.
Sir, the search is in progress for the details you're looking for. Sir, you should see the results displayed on your screen shortly.
बंद कर दो.
Close.
Great job Jarvis.
Thank you, sir. I'm here to make your day easier and more enjoyable. If there's anything specific you'd like help with or discuss, just let me know.